Start off with Salma Mumin. I think this is the first time we are talking about Salma Mumin this year on Showbiz Bar. So Salma, welcome. Welcome to the Gist Table. Now, Salma Mumin has sent another TV presenter to the gutters. Yes, this time the name of the female presenter is not known yet. Now, popular actress and entrepreneur Salma Mumin has slammed a TV presenter for criticizing her appearance on a show. Photos of Salma were splashed across the screen during the show, and the unidentified TV presenter was busy lambasting her outfit and stature. As if that wasn't enough, the TV presenter, who had turned fashion police, blatantly accused Salma Mumin of undergoing a body enhancement procedure, among other things. Salma, who seemed disgusted by the adjectives used to describe her, coupled with the negativity and also the negative way the presenter was talking about her, gave a deadly response. Now, while taping the pepper-mouthed presenter, Salma told her to get medical treatment before saying anything bad about her. And this is what she said. Look at her lipstick. Look at her makeup. Girl, go fix you. Go fix your acne, fix your eyebrows, and fix your lipstick. You come talking about me, you better not look good. You better look good. She doesn't even know how to talk about liposuction. Silly girl, she added in the video. Now, this is not the first time Salma has fought a TV presenter for speaking against her in a bad light. Now, earlier, somewhere last year, the actress sued Angel TV presenter Zandi Kamel for alleging that Salma Mumin's lavish lifestyle was funded by big men and sugar daddies. Into Asama. Or now let's go and then watch this particular presenter talking about Salma Mumin. Yeba, Mobi Amazabako.
Look at her lipstick. Look at your makeup, girl. Go fix yourself. Go fix yourself. Go fix your acne. Fix your eyebrows. Fix your lipstick. Damn. You come and talk about me, this girl? You better be looking fine. Me Jimmy onim lipo crab or silipo wasiaba onokoro heseni e bot lipo din.
Yeah, so the video of Oya presenter talking About Oya Salma Mumin's alleged enhanced body odor no hasem. I mean, well, my one peswa contribution na make for you on there. I mean, body shaming is not good, and I'm not really going to say much about this because I haven't seen the full video, but then just based on the few seconds of it, a snippet of it now, making rounds, naturally, sister, she was doing her job all right, like I'm doing my job right here. But sometimes let's all be careful. That's all I can say. So until I watch everything, Mama kind, let's all be careful with our words.